What is potential difference? Potential difference, more commonly known as voltage, tells us how much energy is transferred to a component per coulomb of charge that passes through it. This relationship is represented by the equation voltage in volts equals energy transferred in joules divided by charge in coulombs. This equation will be explored further in another video. In this video, we'll focus on how potential difference causes current. Electrical circuits contain electrons right around the wire, but the electrons all move randomly in different directions, so there's no overall net flow of electrons, and hence no current. Voltage behaves like a pushing force on the electrons, so when you add a source of voltage, such as a cell or battery, to a circuit, the voltage pushes the electrons around the electrical circuit so they all flow in the same direction at the same time, which is what we call electrical current. Please note, I'm showing actual electron flow here, which flows from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal. Conventional current flows the opposite direction, from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. You need to know both for your exams. More voltage means more pushing force, which means a bigger current. Potential difference, or voltage, across an electrical component is what causes a current to flow through the component. We use the word potential because the electrons have the potential to do work. We can use a model of a ramp with balls resting on it to help us understand potential difference better. If you have a flat ramp with no height difference between the two ends, the ball won't roll. If you lift the ramp so there's a small height difference between the two ends, this will cause the ball to roll slowly. If you lift the ramp higher so there's a bigger height difference between the two ends, this will cause the ball to roll faster. We can summarise this by saying the bigger the height difference, the faster the ball will roll. Now, let's relate this model to potential difference and electrons. If you have no potential difference or voltage, that's like no height difference. The electrons will have no net flow, so there'll be no current. If there's a small potential difference, that's like a small height difference. It will cause the electrons to flow slowly, creating a small current. If there's a big potential difference, that's like a big height difference, it will cause the electrons to flow faster, creating a larger current. We can summarise this by saying, the bigger the potential difference or voltage, the bigger the current. You've now found out what potential difference is and how it causes a current to flow. Hope that video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, comment below if there's any videos you want me to make. Stay safe, work hard, be nice. See you in the next one. Bye for now.